Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make a toggle clasp for a bracelet. First of all, mark the bead in the middle of your bracelet. You know that you can get even sides only in odd count peyote stitch. But okay, in this case, with this kind of bracelet, there is a lot of colors and this one is actually 36 beads, so it's an even number. Okay, number 16 bead is going to be not an pure center, but it is not going to be much visible that it's not such as that sides are not so even. But try to put toggle clasp on the bracelets where you have a pure center, that all the both sides are even. Okay, now for this you need to bead a piece, a strip with an odd number of beads. So I have here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17 beads, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 rows. But after 2, 4, 6, 8, after 8 rows, I add 5 rows with golden beads, and I also marked the bead in the center of this toggle. There I'm going to connect toggle to the bracelet through this bead. This is going to be the connecting point. So make a strip. Well, depends how big the toggle you need. So make a strip like that. You may or may not make a marker bead or make it into colors like I did. I did this just with purpose to show you better, that you can see what is happening. So make that strip, please. Put the pause, press the pause button, and when you finish your strip, come back and see the rest of the video. I'm going to continue with this toggle, so I have to first zip up this strip in order to make a tube. Okay. I'm going fast because we already made a tube in the lesson where I show you how to zip up sides in peyote stitch. So I suppose you know that. Okay. I'm going fast. Well, you can also, if you didn't put a pause, you can press the pause. If you didn't press the pause, then you can see watch the whole video, and then maybe there is no need to follow the video. You will be able to make it by yourself without me talking in the background. Okay, now pull this thread, and those 2 beads has to be also those 2 on the sides, you remember, connected. Now pass with your needle and exit through that bead in the center of the tube. Wait a minute, it's not going how I would like. Depends also how tight you were beading. So okay, I'm coming there, and here we are. And now it's easy. This is the connecting point. This is the bead we have to pass. I'm going to take 2 15s, and how it's laying, so I'm going to put, so I have to pass with the needle like this. This is the bead. Now I'm doing that with my left hand. This is fun, but I did it with my left, so because I want to show you. So your thread exits on that side, yeah, so you have to pass with your needle on to that side of your bracelet. Then you're going to pick up again 2 15s and pass back through that marked bead, that black bead in the middle of the toggle, and you're going to pass few times through those beads, and you're going to finish secure the thread and finish your secure the thread and cut the thread, of course. So now I'm taking everything with me, how I'm pulling. This is one of probably there are a lot of ways how to do such a thing, but this is the most simplest way to add a toggle clasp on your bracelet and to make it. You can also embellish this if you have space to that. So this is how it is this is how it's going to work. I show you that in the previous. So this is how it's going to work. This is our toggle clasp. So, but take care and make it use this kind of clasp on the bracelet that are made in odd count peyote stitch in order to have all even sides. But okay, we learn how to make a toggle clasp and how to attach it to the bracelet. See you in the next lesson.